It's a general question. Let me think of the answer. Okay, I know the answer already. What is 19 in Roman numeral? Say the answer. Don't raise up your hand. Thank you very much. Come on. Clap for her. Thank you. 19 in Roman numeral is what? XIX. Now, she has how many more questions to answer? 4 more questions. And she has lifeline. Is that clear? If at any point she fails, you know what is happening. All right. Now, her second question. Have it. Here's your microphone. All right. Okay. Use your microphone. Now, you remember you have your lifeline. Either you ask the audience or you skip. If a dozen is 12, what is a gross? If a dozen is 12, what is a gross? You can ask the audience or you skip the question. If a dozen is 12, what is a gross? Which one are you using? Are you telling us the answer, or you are skipping, or you ask the audience? You have 5 seconds to decide. 1.
24.
I'll give you a last chance. That's wrong. I'll give you a last chance to try. 1, 2.
6.
That's your final answer?
Yes.
That's the final answer?
Yes.
That's wrong. Very sorry, she's wrong. If a dozen is 12, gross is 144. Do you agree with that?
Yes.
A round of applause for her. She still tried. All right. Now with 4 sides is known as. No, there's a general name. A polygon with 4 sides.
Yes, two.
A polygon with 4 sides. Say it, don't raise up your hand. No. There's a general name. A polygon. Thank you very much. Who said that? Quadrilateral. Then come outside. Now clap for him. All right. Thank you very much. Now you hold this and face your student now. A polygon with 4 sides is a quadrilateral. Now we understand that square, rectangle, parallelogram, they have 4 sides, but the general name is what? the general answer is called a quadrilateral. Now it has how many questions to answer? 4 more questions. But there's a good news to that. You have a lifeline. Is that you ask the audience to help you out, or you skip the question. Is that clear? Please. But if at any point you failed it, he has lost the game. You get it? So you need to be smart. No correct answer. Is that clear? Now, your second question. Who is regarded as the father of computer?
The father of computer. Charles Babbage.
Is it correct?
Yes.
Clap for him. It's as simple as that. Now, his third question. Let's see. His third question. A business owned and controlled by one person is called
Proprietorship.
what?
Proprietorship.
Don't say
Proprietorship.
stop. It's not your question. Don't need to raise up your hand. If you give him answer, we will disqualify him. He will go back to his line.
A sole proprietorship.
A sole proprietorship. Is that correct?
Yes.
Clap for you. Now he has gotten how many? Now he has gotten 3. He's winning 2. And remember, I still have his lifeline. All right. His next question now. All right. Backstroke. Backstroke is a skill in what sport?
Swimming.
Swimming. Is that correct?
Yes.
Clap for you. All right. Are you enjoying the game?
Yes.
Now his last question, right? If you fail, he's going to. Hope you know. All right. Let's see. That's the game. Now let's see the last question. Okay. Nobody should help you, but remember you still have your lifeline. Now your last question. That is your 5th question. What is the name of the man on 10 naira notes? Remember, you still have lifeline. Is either you ask the audience or we skip to the next question. You should skip. He has used it. Now I want to give a bonus answer. Who can help us? The name of that man in the 10 naira note. Yes. Thank you very much. Clap for her. She doesn't have a gift, though. Hope you know. She's just trying to tell us that she knows that one. Now let's go to his last question. Okay. So this question is not for you. Let's see. Okay, I should have cancelled it. Okay, now the last question. His last question. No correct answer. A geometric plane shape. A geometric plane shape with no side is known as. A geometric plane shape with no side is known as what? Is that your final answer?
Yes.
Is that your final answer?
Yes.
That's correct.
And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that